When should you upgrade a PLC system? Most companies wait until it fails. And by then, it's already too late. PLC systems can run for years, even decades. So it's easy to think, if it's still working, leave it alone. But that mindset is exactly what leads to unexpected downtime, expensive failures, and production risk. The question isn't, has it failed yet? It's, how close is it to failing, and what happens when it does? Because when a PLC goes down, everything stops. There are 5 warning signs that your PLC system needs an upgrade. Number 1, it's obsolete or unsupported. If your PLC is no longer supported, missing updates or running outdated software, you're relying on a system with no safety net. Number 2, downtime is increasing. If you're seeing intermittent faults, random issues, or communication errors, that's not bad luck, that's a warning. Number 3, spare parts are hard to find. If you're sourcing refurbished parts, buying from secondary markets, or cannibalizing other systems, you're already in risk territory. Number 4, fault finding takes too long. If engineers struggle to understand the system or diagnose issues quickly, downtime costs increase every time something goes wrong. Number 5, the system can't support growth. Modern requirements like data collection, remote monitoring, and integration often aren't possible with legacy PLCs. Delaying an upgrade feels like saving money, but you're actually paying for it through more downtime, longer repair times, and emergency fixes. One failure can cost more than the upgrade itself. Think about the difference between a planned upgrade and an emergency failure. A planned upgrade means controlled downtime, proper design, and long-term reliability. An emergency failure means production stops, rushed decisions, higher costs, and limited options. You either plan the upgrade, or downtime will plan it for you. If your PLC system is showing signs of age or becoming harder to maintain, it's worth asking, are you in control of the upgrade or waiting for a failure to force it? If you want to upgrade systems the right way, with minimal risk and long-term reliability, that's exactly what we do at Stratos.